everyone, welcome back to my channel with me, Monique. For today's video, we're going to have part 1 of the New York haul, and I'm going to unbox the items from Tiffany. I have 2 items with me. This one, obviously, I have opened the ribbon. They also gave me this beautiful book about all the Elsa Peretti's design. If you don't know already, I love Elsa Peretti. I actually have a video about Elsa Peretti's designs on the channel. I will link that video down below if you haven't seen that one. So if you don't know, Elsa Peretti recently passed, and I've been trying to get pieces from her collections whenever possible. So the first item is not an Elsa Peretti item. It is a ring. Let me just show you. This one is one of the eternity rings that Tiffany always has in many different varieties. I love these kind of rings because you can stack them as many as you want and they look great on any finger, and it's just so dainty and so pretty. This one is in a size 6.5. So pretty. It doesn't sparkle now because of the light, but at night you can see it really sparkles under the light. So this one is a half eternity band, so it's only on the front side, and the back is just the white gold. The main star of the unboxing is this item, which I have been so excited to open. It is just so special. And it's so beautiful. I don't even want to open it, but I have to because I want to wear it. So pretty. Look at that. Before I open this, take a moment and comment down below if you can guess what is inside this box. I'll give you a minute. Okay, so now let's open this box. Comes with the velvet box inside. This is like a care card. Let's see. Are you ready? It's the Elsa Peretti bone cuff. I've been wanting this item for years. It has always been on my wish list, but for some reason I never pulled the trigger and I just always got something else. I think because it's silver and I'm always very iffy sometimes about silver, especially silver in this size. It can get scuffed pretty easy, and you know, you have to clean it quite often as opposed to gold. But of course the gold cuff is much more expensive, and Elsa Peretti is actually known for her silver item. So I decided to go with the silver. So if you don't know about bone cuff, you have to choose whether you want it for the right side or for the left side. As you can see, there is a protruding part here that will go on this bone. So show you how beautiful that is. So shiny and sparkly. Oh, gorgeous. And on the inside, I don't know if you can see, but it says Elsa Peretti there on the inscription here. It's too shiny, you probably can't see it. It's just like a mirror. It's so beautiful. Let's try it on. This is in a size medium. I think it comes in medium and large, but also this width is for medium. There's also a smaller one in small, and then there's also one that is like wider. I love it. It's so pretty. I love it. Now this wrist feels bare. I need another one for this to match Oh, I love it so much. So that's it for my Tiffany unboxing for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to watch part 2 and 3 of the New York haul. It will be coming soon to the channel. Please like this video if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I upload videos weekly about style, mindful shopping, travel, and everything in between. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!